Guys, I'm Blake with True Homes. I sell currently out at Edgewater in Lancaster, South Carolina. I can sell you a true home anywhere, but primarily here. I love it here. It's amazing. It's easy to sell somewhere you believe in. Hey guys, this is the Cyprus floor plan here at True Homes. It's a ranch plan, meaning you're going to have the primary down here. One thing I love about the Cyprus, this is actually a really popular plan, specifically in our cottages neighborhood. I love that you can access this cozy screened-in porch right off of the bedroom, the primary bedroom. There's your primary bath, two little vanities, shower. This floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's about 1,600 square feet, and this is the Cypress 1347 plan. Now, there's different ways you can modify the Cypress. You can have 2 bedrooms downstairs and no upstairs at all. You can have a full bathroom upstairs, or just use it as an office. No bathroom upstairs. Here's your guest bedroom and your guest bathroom. 2-car garage. Here's your laundry room. I think I showed you that earlier with a folding table. A must. And let me show you the way that this one was laid out. This specific floor plan shows to put a full bathroom upstairs. So now you have 3 full bedrooms, or you can make this an office. 3 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. Like I said, guys, this is the Cypress floor plan. It's the 1347 floor plan, and it's a little more than 1,600 square feet the way it's laid out. It's an extremely popular floor plan in the cottages section, where a lot of people don't need a lot of space. They want a massive house to clean, to keep warm, do monthly maintenance on, so they choose Cypress floor plan. Love this little pocket porch on the side here. Then you also have a little bit of a porch on the back side of the house. Guys, my name is Blake Lomberger. I sell for True Homes. I spend most of my time in here in Edgewater. Give me a call if you need anything. If you're looking at buying a house here, we have about a dozen completed showcase homes. Or if you don't love our showcase homes, we can build you a semi-custom home at a production home price. Blake Lomberger, give me a call. Have a great day.